Some of una for this social media, person go dey tell una truth. Una go say na the one wey una go believe, now una wan believe. So many of una feel say, when I come outside, come talk say, Frank knack mama ego. Una feel say I drink. Some even say I smoke. Normally I know they smoke. Normally I know they drink. If I even drink one bottle of anything, you go know say they say bed now they take am, because if not I don't feel like I enter house. When I tell una say these two people they do something, many of una shame me, una bully me, ignore wetin my rapper where they show for them. My rapper na my share na my house. Una bully me, una bolo me. Una say, wetin this one they talk. Una use almost a year bullying me for this matter. But I was telling the truth. And the reason, not be say maybe everything with my eyes see, now they talk. No. I have a lot of mommies that love me. Una they see me so. Social media or no social media, I they receive my alert steady. But I see this thing, it no good. Not only the guy was dating this lady, which is his godmother. The woman, they fight every single girl where they are around Frank. It don't make sense. You be married woman, my sister. You dey husband house. Single people, both old and young. Now this boy, they toast all of them. According to your audio, you talk say, una fe be mama and pikin. Now he bring love issue come, which is true. Yes. Mama ego, that place where you talk, now true you talk. Now he toast you. Now he put her for your mind. And you fall. Now so this, now the truth of this matter be this. But why I dey vex for you, be say, you know say you dey husband house. You know say you don't marry. You know say even the guy no send you. Why you go dey fight other guests around her? Not even me. Because you no fit fight me. Now me no want. I don't pan for now. Like, check me out now. I no feel a chop waiting does see run now. I no fit chop small pikin wey don dey sleep with my grandmother age. I no fit chop that kind of food. That you want me I be, my skin go spoil. My metabolism, my everything go spoil. I give you say, una dey do na things. Who want chop, go dey chop. I no owe anybody. You can't dey fight people wey dey around the guy. Who be the people? E.g. my ex-mom. When you find that say Frank they neglect you for her, you can't dey vex for her. She can also reason and say, why this woman dey vex on me? After everything I don't do for this woman, she finally detect the truth, say, you knock the woman. Frank, they knock you. She also called a verse for you. She called you because she know the person where they feel bear something. She call you, she saga you on phone. You on live video, you start to saga her back. Two girlfriends fighting for Frank. I was a daughter where no one may stay mama. I come out and say, Mama ego, stop fighting people because of Frank. You they do Frank, they look you. Is it because you nyansha? Now every day they tell them, if no one go, I tell them, I say, I know so na office way because una do. God will create me and una know so na do. I say, because you dey nyash Frank, you no go let anybody breathe again for social media. I say I want confess. A lot of presenters cut the video. They trend the video. You come out, you say you go swear. You go do me like this. Frank come out, he say go spend 10 million for my head. He never start. Una just look me say I be small pikin. Una want compress me. Una want close my mouth. Una want come off food for my mouth. Nothing one and not do to tarnish my image. But my God will not they sleep. He no give una space. He fights una sote shame and disgrace enter una body. He fights una sote shame and disgrace he enter una body. Me wanna say Frank go come and Queen can like I not get issue with Frank. I not get issue with Mama Ego. Mama Ego, after I watch where you call him Mama Susie video, I pity you. I call the fee for you. You told Mama Susie say na jazz Frank use for you. Which if it be true, because I don't feel they talk something like that. You get me? Only we are for verse or you know the talk so. And I'll be saying this for a very long time. You know, say you like this guy. Why are you fighting other women around him? Which is bad. You use and touch everybody. Now you do go meet Mama Kevin where we say your nyash opuso. Where you know say the guy don't marry you, can't they fight the Mama Kevin. How you feel say Frank for them marry you? How you feel? Wait till you reason. Frank gets with Matt. Do you think Frank love you? If you see G guy, you know they know G guy. You know they know G guy. The guy perere you fall. He hammer you finish now begin deny you. Promote you for husband house. Give you name where be say generations to come. Even your children will come and say yes. You slept with your godson. This is a disgrace. Why you were married? The marriage tire you because you see new bola. Yes. Now because you see new bola, that was why the old bola faded away. Let's tell ourselves the truth. I see some women where they talk say, Frank, they do everything. Frank go sleep with woman finish. You got the second one. You be adulterous. If you be woman, you talk that thing. You be adulterous woman. If you be man, you talk that kind of thing. You be adulterous man. Do you know what it takes for man to pay woman bride price, put the woman for house? Even if you are not they live together. If the woman like me, they desert. The day she collect, open leg, collect another bola. She becomes adulterous woman. Una they get me so. Mama, I go, I understand you say you use jazz for you. If it be true, I feel believe you they say jazz they involve. But wear me for verse or you be say you for not they fight people. You get me? Now you cause all this is what would they so. You go fight Abiyewa. Me come they defend Abiyewa say when you bring a comment, you use smart zanzara. Abiyewa no know say you knock Frank. She no know say you shook Frank. Na me no say you drop Frank. Abiyewa did that, but better. But she later no, now say yes. Everything I told her was true. That's why we now go to do conspiracy to do me waiting on what do not this and that. I'm market today now. I know they blame Frank. I know they blame any of you now. Now they expose myself to the world. What else can I say? Oh, na say be bad person. I be this. Una spoil my name. My name una no fit spoil my name. I be big name. VIP Queen talk show. I be big name. If I don't want to do saga, leave una say after more they play my children. If I want to do saga, I go come mat, I go mat. Don't play, cause you're gonna learn in a very hard way. My God, thank you for confessing your sin to Susie, Mama Susie. If you can do it on your platform, do it. If you cannot do it, I know, say no problem. The one where you tell people later, I go cast. What you fed the head? Now they pretend. I'm way back yeah, when up, yeah, boy, Italy, yeah, me. When I know, say yes, I know what I'm saying. Look me like I don't know it right. I bet my people wanna use this one day for the Sunday. How far will they warm up for the summer saga? Do any I go collect. They want Jesus. No.